It's Jason Lewis, and you're tuned into I Speak Geek. So I'm still giving away the Keychron K4 Optical Blue keyboard. And for your chance to win, be one of my first 500 subscribers, like and comment under the K1 V4 review. And today, I got a special one in front of me. So this is the CarPlay2Air. So this is a wireless dongle that allows you to have CarPlay without any wires. So you're connecting to the wireless dongle, and then the dongle is connecting to your OEM or aftermarket stereo, allowing you to have wireless CarPlay. So I saw this on 9 to 5 Max video, and I thought, wow, this could be something really good for me because I hate having to plug up my phone to a cable and then unplugging it as I get out the car. Sometimes I forget it, so it's better just to have it in my pocket. So without further ado, let's unbox this. Let's see how it looks, and then try to pair it with my stereo and my phone, and hopefully it all works. All right, guys, go ahead and get this unboxed. Got my unboxing knife. I swear there's like so much tape on packages nowadays. All right, so you get your user manual and the CarPlay2Air dongle. See if there's anything else in here. And that seems to be it. So let's go ahead and set this up and see how it works, and I'll give you my thoughts. All right, guys, so we're in my truck right now, and I have CarPlay through an aftermarket radio, so I'm using a Kenwood system. So right now, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to attach the dongle to my system. As you can see, the dongle is right here. It's very small, but it also provides an extra USB port, so you're not taking up the USB port that you're plugging up to. So let's go ahead and get it connected and see if we're able to connect our device to it. So for this, I'm going to be using my iPhone 11 Pro Max, and it should pick up the device here somewhere. Okay, so it sees it on the stereo. It's trying to connect. I allowed everything to connect. Use CarPlay. It's one of the options that come up. And it should connect to the radio. And there we have it. We're in CarPlay. Boom. And look, no wires, not connected. That's awesome. And this one was one of the fairly cheaper ones that I found. I saw some ranging up to $179 for one of these wireless dongles, but you can get this off of the CarPlay2Air website. I believe it's like $129, but some other sites you can find it cheaper. So this actually works as it says it says it's supposed to. Right now, volume's down, but we can hear that podcast playing in the back. It's great.
That's interesting.
And I have access to all of my apps that I had before. So yeah, this is gonna work wonders for me because I'm that type of person who likes to keep their phone in their pocket when they're in their car, but I also like using CarPlay. So now this helps me out, and I'm able to keep my phone in my pocket, and I'm also able to connect through CarPlay, whereas I don't have to connect with wires and possibly leave my phone in the car because I leave my phone, I leave my mask. It's just one less thing I'm forgetting. So guys, if you found any value in this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Later.